welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and share some invitations that I made for my daughter's birthday. She'll be turning 7 October 31st. And so we thought it would be really special this year to go ahead and throw her a birthday party. Last year, obviously due to COVID, we weren't able to do so. And this year she's just super excited to have her birthday party. So of course it's going to be mermaid theme. And initially I was thinking, well, let me go and look on Amazon to go ahead and order some invitations. And I thought, hello, I have probably every craft supply here to be able to make those supplies, to make those invitations. So that's what I did. I started off with cutting this shell shape, and what I did is I went ahead and scored all of the lines here. I don't know if you can really see it or if the camera picks it up at all, but it gives it a little bit of extra something on there, even though it's very light, but I like that effect. And then it has a pearl in the middle, so she has pink and teal cards. So all the pink cards have the teal pearl, and then all the pink cards have, or the blue cards, excuse me, teal cards have the pink bling on them. So I went ahead then and placed it on, or actually layered the shell to this card, and then I found this mermaid in like a font that I had. So it's like those dingbat fonts. So I went ahead and cut this out on hollow paper, which I thought turned out super cute on it. And you can see in the back here, again, this is an example of the pink card with the teal pearl. And you can see how I stacked it for dimension on there. And then on the inside is really simple. It says you're invited to a sparkling, shining mermaid party celebrating Olivia's 7th birthday. I went ahead and found this template online and then printed it on this teal pearl paper, and then I have some pearl pink paper that I went ahead and printed out, so it's kind of opposite colors. So that was that. This card backing here I did get at Hobby Lobby, so again I got this color and then the teal color, and this is the end result. So I found these really cute like envelopes. They're basically cellophane bags, but you put your invitations in there, and it was so cool. And we went ahead and stuffed them with some cellophane string in there, and so it gave it a different type of a presentation. I really like the look of these clear envelopes, just because if you have like a fancy card, it really shows it off instead of hiding it through that, you know, the thick envelope. So that was the end. There's nothing on the back, it's just a blank card. So that was my idea and what we did for her. So we're super excited to have her friends here. She's been handing them out at school. We try to limit the number of friends that she can bring or invite, but you know, she every day she's like, comes to my classroom and she's like, Mom, I need one more, I need 2 more invitations. So we're just about at the point where we probably have 1 more invitation to hand out, and then I think we're good on that. I did want to let you know that I will be also showing you some die cuts from the Coco and Reno dies that I received this month. So I'm pretty excited to show you that. They're really cute. And that's for the month of what are we in, October. So for next month's dies, I did get last month's dies too, but I don't think I've put a video out for those. I'll go ahead and show those as well if you'd like. But that was about it. I hope that you have a great night. Stay bundled up. Here in the Phoenix area, it's been cold today, and cold for us is like 60, I think it got down to 64 degrees today, and that's super cold when you come from a desert that it, you know, the high reaches 115, 118, so everybody was bundled up very tightly today, which is kind of funny, but that's what happens when you're used to the heat and then you get cold coming in. But I hope that you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.